that winter surfing was not fun. I'm Frenchy. Actually, I'm Captain America. I'm Frenchy and Captain America. Whatever. I love the world. More importantly, I love surfing. I love the Great Lakes. I love the winter. With the right gear, you can enjoy it and keep the smile. Aloha and see you in the water. Welcome back. Aloha guys. So I will be introducing you the best items that allow you to keep the fun, but more importantly to be safe and warm during the winter, because winter surfing is a sport on its own, and in the Great Lakes it gets extremely cold, and the Great Lakes community, but also the northeast of America, is dealing with very extreme weather, and you need to be prepared and protected. And thanks God to technology, but also all the companies and brands out there that have been engineering and manufacturing products that allow us to be comfortable in those conditions and to surf longer. And I would love to start with wet socks. So wet socks comes in different thickness. There is the original, and the therm original is a thin pair of socks. The therms are much thicker. The wet socks allow you to get in and out of your wetsuit rapidly. It's a no-brainer, especially in the cold on the parking lot when you're changing. You can get quickly in and out of your wetsuit. I love it. Keep my feet warm, allow me to surf longer. The therm are much thicker and they will allow you to be really truly warm. In regards of wet socks, we also have the shorts. That's a no-brainer. It's a must. The short is made out of neoprene. It's an underwear. Allow you to stay warm, to be very comfy under your winter wetsuit. It's also a fantastic product. By the way, wet socks have a Frenchy model. I encourage you to take a look at it. You cannot speak about winter surfing without thinking and speaking of wetsuits. And in regard of wetsuits, I'm personally very fortunate and very blessed. I have a lot of them thanks to Hyperflex. Depending on where you live, obviously a 4-3 could be your winter wetsuit. In that case, you're very lucky. The 4-3 Voodoo is stretchy, will keep you warm, come in different colors. I love colors. I go with the blue. And then, of course, if you live a little bit more north, a 5-4. 5-4 for me in the Great Lakes is already done. Voodoo 5-4 green. Obviously love the colors again. Stretchy, comfy, same suit, 4-3, 5-4. I personally surf with a 6-5. That's my go-to wetsuit. 6-5-4 Voodoo. You can see the little Voodoo guy right there. Very warm. Inside lining, stretchy, comfy. Obviously hooded. We talk about 4-3 non-hooded. 5-4 hooded, 6-5 hooded, of course. Just a fantastic wetsuit, and that's the man item to be warm and surf for hours in extreme weather with wind and cold and snow and you name it. Booties, your feet must be warm. Obviously you put the wet socks first, then the wetsuit, assuming your short is already under there, and then you're going to put your booties. 5mm, probably with your 4-3 and your 5-4. I love split toe, comfy, warm, but my good booties from Hyperflex, obviously the Pro Series, engineered, designed for the winter to keep you warm, 7mm with a pair of wet socks, original or therms. You can add some extra warm, but obviously you don't even need it. This is super warm and comfy. Of course, doesn't come in split toe, just round toe for 7mm. Glove, hands is extremely important to be warm. We have the Pro Series glove from Hyperflex again, 5mm with an inside lining, very warm, love it. If you wear a 4-3 or 5-4, it depends. Some people like to have less rubber and they try to push it. Personally, I like to be warm. It gets very cold when I surf, so I will go with the 6mm midden glove. Very light, very comfy, warm. I love it. Being warm, it's also in the water but out of the water. Before and after, a go-to item, a must item is the winter stormer poncho from All In. I have it on, very warm, break the wind, love to drive in my car with my wetsuit, back from surfing, a great session, the Great Lakes in the cold, back with my wetsuit on me, my seat don't get wet, I'm dry, I'm warm. If you go check a spot before surfing, you break the wind, the snow, the rain, it's obviously waterproof. All In poncho, a go-to, a must. All right, also your ears. It's very important to protect your ears. Surf ears have fantastic earplug. Cold water damage your ear in the long run and you can have bacteria, but you can grow a bone, an extra bone, by being exposed to the cold. It's very important. I think it's underrated in the surfing to protect your ear, especially in cold water. So surf earplug, check them out, guys. And what else can I tell you? I mean, how can you surf without a surfboard? So personally, my Super Brand unit, you can see it, it's a beauty. Super Brand unit is my go-to board in the Great Lakes. It's fast, it's agile, it's light. I just can't tell you enough. It's beautiful. There's a French flag. Could be the American colors too, so you pick. Anyway, unit from Super Brand. I have an entire quiver from them, but I really like that one for small to medium sized wave. And if you want to play more in the shore break, in the pool, in the snow, you can try the Barracuda. Barracuda is an unbreakable board. Super fun to bodyboard and to surf. You can stand in a river. I personally like to go in the river, and I take it also on the snow, on the hills. Unbreakable, super fun. It's a go-to board in the shore break. If you're worried to break your board, a lot of fun. Something to change. Regular surfboard, Barracuda wave skater. This is the brand, the company. Check them out. I personally really love it. Then, of course, you have to change on the parking lot and it's still cold, so you have a change kit from All In. You put your feet in there, take your wetsuit off, your glove, everything else, and then you can wrap everything in there. It's like a bag going to your car. Fun little item from All In. How could you surf without thinking about having a hot shower after? That is absolutely unbelievable what technology can do those days. Rinskit engineered and manufactured a portable shower that can give you 30 seconds or much more of pressurized water. So basically, if you drive, you can have that in your car. Matter of fact, you can plug it into your car and it will warm up the water waiting for you when you come out of your session. So Rinskit, warm water, pressurized portable shower. Awesome. Guys, thank you for your time. All I can say is keep surfing, keep safe, keep the smile, and stay warm. Thank you.